Hello again, everybody. There will be another a job position which is scheduled for interview October 13 at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. The job description for this is aircraft maintenance. So basically, this is for a cargo loading job. It's a unit load device for cargo. So we are looking for two people for this, and the job location will be in Narita City in Chiba. So again, the job description is aircraft maintenance, basically for cargo loading. The salary for this starts from 180,000 yen to 240,000 yen, and there will be bonus also, and there are also other bonuses like family allowances. There is skill allowance also, and other allowances like fare allowance. So we need two people for this. So if you are willing to apply, please let us know. You can comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 0362068058. For other jobs, we do have many jobs available every day, and it is scheduled. The interview policy will be face to face, so you need to come to our office in Tokyo for job interviews. Thank you.